pH monitoring. And this area is for the RO filtration system. It's with different filters here and RO membrane. This is the RO high pressure pump here. And after the RO filtration system, it will make the RO pure water and store it into this tank. This is the RO pure water tank. And on the right side is the alkaline water tank. First, we will pump the pure water from this tank into this alkaline water tank. Then the pH monitor will sense the pH value here with this sensor. And after it senses the pH value is lower, then the circulation pump will start to work and circulate the water into this pH regulator with the material inside. I will show you the operation of our alkaline and pure water vending machine. First, put the bottle, 5-gallon bottle inside the filling room. Then use IC card. Then dispense alkaline water. You can see the pH value here of the alkaline water.